So Nitesh Shah is walking towards the area where we have showcased our parking light automation demonstration at VTP Alpine in Mahalunge. So the lower basement we have demonstrated our product there, and Mr. CEO is scheduled to be visiting this place as well. Look, he's just standing here and the motion sensor picked up his motion and the lights are being turned on. Now he is walking by on his own and then he is reaching towards the inner part of the parking area. So yeah, you can continue walking there. Look, now look this, yeah, the lights are being turned on, and if you see the other area, the lights are still not on because he is not into that section of the parking. Right now all the lights are being turned on and we'll see how these lights will get turned on. Now he's walking. Here you go. So the lights are turned on once again. And we have kept the time like 42 seconds. Look, the other lights, the other circuits, they all are turned on now. So this is how we have done the automation there. Now we'll go straight and we'll reach towards the panel and section controller and energy meter. So all the lights are being turned on. So these are the motion sensors, right? It covers like 12-meter radius and one sensor cover around 270 degree, 230 to 270 degree, and both together they cover like 360 degree in a radius of 12 meter. Okay. So if you can see the other part of the parking basement, the lights are being turned off because there is no motion. And you know what, like if the person is there, then lights will keep on, the lights are turned on all the time because the motion sensor keep on extending its time. So likewise we are standing here, but then the motion sensor is still there and keep on extending the time, therefore the lights are not getting turned off. Now Nitesh will enter into the lobby. Now one circuit is already there on the motion, so let's see if that circuit gets turned on. So yeah, because we were there and the circuit was already on, so yeah, so this is the panel what we have, RYB, and this is the SNAS wireless panel what we have, and then we have energy meter. This is again a SNAS wireless energy meter what we have, which keeps on sending the energy parameters wirelessly to the IoT hub. You can see the lights are turned off because no one is there. Look, the lights are being turned off once again. Now let's see if Nitesh is walking by there and the lights are on again. And that way if he keeps on going further, the circuit will get turned on. Here you go. This is what the powerful technology what we have, because this is like a wireless technology what we have, so you don't have physical connection. This motion sensor does not have a physical connection with the MCB circuit, so it is sending a wireless signal back to the SNAS wireless panel, and then panel is taking that decision of turning on the light. Yeah, so this is what we have. So now Nitesh will demonstrate the other area. Now he will try to go straight, and look, the area is completely into dark. So that's what. Now he will, so there is another sensor in the lobby area. Now he will try to enter into the parking basement once again. Now he will try to enter into that basement. Now let me hold on. So if the lights are, look, there is no light there. Yeah, and the lights are turned on once again. So this is what we have, right? So it's a complete wireless solution what we have in our umbrella, and we are the original manufacturer of this product. We have a R&D center at Pune, right? Look, the other circuit is turned off, and I'll tell you, this is a residential project, we are doing it, and we have proven a saving of 95%. That's like unbelievable saving, right? And keeping the fact that, you know, we are still providing all the convenience and comfort to the end user. So likewise, this is the sensor, right? So the green lights shows that this is active, and the motion sensor is ready to capture the motion of any object. That includes human being, car, even the animals, significant size animals, and all that. So we'll just end this video. Nitesh will go straight and probably try to enter into the entry area, like the ramp. Now we'll see if it turns on the ramp area. Look, the other area is turned off. So like, you know, if we have significant traffic, the motion sensor will keep on extending its time. Here you go. So look, this is the ramp area, and all that is lit up, right? So that's how we have. Nitesh, you would like to add something, buddy?
No, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so now we are heading towards section controller, what we call IoT hub. So this is the lower basement what we have, but then we have kept our IoT hub at the upper basement parking. And you can see the powerful wireless signals, right? It is still talking to the all the nodes located at the lower parking area, right? So now we have this. Nitesh, okay, so let's go from that direction, right? So this is what we have, the IoT hub. So basically, if you see, all the lights are being turned off right now, and it is showing the same status on the IoT hub. You can still operate lights from here as well. If you see, you can still operate the lights, and you can put your circuits on schedule as well. You can go here and go on the scheduler, and you can keep on adding schedulers as much as you want. There is no limit on that, since it is a software thing, right? And that way it is throwing all the data over the cloud, and from cloud we have desktop application to monitor the actual consumption, all the analytical reports, as well as we have desktop application for controlling your lights. Now there is no LDR we have configured over here because the lower basement was not having sunlight exposure, right? But then we have energy meter integration, and this energy meter integration showcase all the important parameters like phase voltage, line voltage, current, power factor, frequency, the losses, the supply, and the actual power consumption. So if you see the actual power consumption, you can see that the total unit till so far is 526.5 kilowatt hour. And then we have a current consumption which is 3.52 amps. It was recorded at timestamp 22nd February 2023, 5:37 p.m. right? And you can get the latest value as well, just refreshing the data, and that way you will be able to see the actual current consumption right now. So and you got the latest timestamp which is 5:40 p.m. right? So since we refreshed the reading, right, so the system went ahead and grabbed the latest data. So similarly we have power factor, and all that, right? Then we have live notifications as well. So over here we have a notification from energy meter panel as well, which is showing that anytime the consumption goes beyond 1 amps, right, the system throws an notification so that we know that there are significant lights are being turned on. And you can have a notification from a scheduler, from switch operating rule, there are various concepts we have built in, right? So that's what we have. And then you have multiple things to see, right? Then we have various types of notification like scheduler, operating rules, energy meter, LDR, emergency, door sensor, and all that. So it's a very advanced system we have in our portfolio, and it is really creating phenomenal value to our customers, right? And importantly, the whole system doesn't even rely on internet connectivity. So even if the internet connectivity is not there, the system will still run without any problem. The schedulers will execute on time, the notification will still come on the hub, and you can still operate things from the hub as well. So it shows the status is okay, which is great. So that's how the system is being designed. Okay, so I think we would end this presentation, and we'll see you. Yeah, bye bye.